James. This is BuildBoard, my CS50 final project. I'm recording this from Salt Lake City, Utah, March 20th. BuildBoard is a web app for car enthusiasts who build cars and have projects where they need to organize all the information for their build. Here you can see I can register and log in. After I register and log in, I will be taken to a live feed where everyone I follow, including myself, will be shown. Here I can go to my garage and add a vehicle. Each user has a garage, and each vehicle has its own project build list. I go in here and I can add a task to my build list. I can say that I need a pump installed, and that'll be next project maybe, or just one on the list. Here I can put some details about it, and then after that I can pick a category this is going to go under. Fuel pump would be under fuel, and perhaps electrical for the wiring of the fuel pump. So I can go ahead and click electrical and fuel, and that'll bring, and then I can add it. Now that task is added to my build list. Now with the categories, I can go through, and let's say I just want to look at things with exhaust. It'll pull up all my build lists that I have to do with exhaust. I don't have any right now. If I go to fuel, it'll also pull up the one that I've just made. I can clear it. I can also click on these badges, and it'll bring up everything electrical related on my build list. You can filter by category and everything. Okay. I can go into a task. I can make a comment. I can say up here that I need help. I can update that onto my feed with my fuel pump install. I can say, are there any tips? Perhaps somebody has a tip for me before I start. I can post that comment, and this will go onto my feed. So when someone clicks on it, they can see what I need, and they can also post a comment, maybe giving me some tips on my build. Here I can post it, and you can see that's been posted. If I go to my feed, then it shows up on my feed. Right now I'm not following anyone, so I'm the only one on my feed. I can search other people, perhaps with the same vehicle, to see if they've done the same job before. Here I'll type in Bronco since I have a Bronco, and I can see that someone else also has a Bronco. I can click on that. I can see that they have a build list. Right now, one thing's on it, quarter panel replacement. I can go to follow, and now I can follow that person, and everything they do on their build will show up on my feed. And I can also follow them in certain projects that might help myself.